Bitcoin. Now, what a lot of people have been doing is, your first sign, Elliott wave people have been down on a 1 minute chart, counting the waves on the rally off this low to see, are we in a new uptrend? Let me put regular candles on. And if we go down to a 1 minute chart, let's see what our rally did last night. They want to look at this and see, are we in a new upswing? Well, when I look at this initial rally off the lows, I could argue that this is 5 waves. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this clearly, what this clearly is, this downswing is an equal ABC. We can't argue about that. And then we rallied from that equal ABC to a new high. Are we making 5 waves here? It's not quite clear. It's a bit messy. Have we made an ABC this way? That would say no, indecision, and we're not in a new uptrend. If we measure from this low to high, we've stopped at the 61.8 of this first swing. And so potentially, we're not in a new uptrend either. So it's tricky. It's sideways. There's no resolution. And I think if you've got a position, hang on. I think that there's as good a chance that we rally from here in another big ABC leg higher as there is that we go lower. In my book of this strategy, if you reverse at a 20 moving average, you don't really want to see it come back to the 20 moving average again before you make a new low. That's always been kind of one of my cardinal rules. So if we look at it this way, really on a daily, we haven't closed below the 50% in the middle of this first rally. We are finding support here, and so we could very easily see another corrective leg higher here. So the waves counts would still be corrective, but we would still be looking for another leg higher from here to, at least 8,300, which is the 50 moving average, but I think 8,500. So I'm open to that happening in Bitcoin. Now, how would we get in? How would we buy it? This is, let's put my Heikin Ash on. This is kind of setting up for me as potentially a 4-hour buy swing. It doesn't look quite ready, but it's lined up as if it could be. And here is another hourly setup. Now look, first time we got above the hourly moving average. When we came back to it, we couldn't find support and we crashed back through. What if this time we did get above it and we found support from it like we did here? Then maybe we could look at a rally away. But I think at this point, you just have to try and get in with as small a stop as possible, so that it would be under this low, 7,100, and just say, what, the way it's behaving doesn't want to go down. We've run the stops both ways, and take a wider view. If you get chopped up in the middle, you'll just chop up your account balance. And so when it finally makes a decision about which way it's going to go next, you're going to be in pretty poor shape to trade it. So, if in doubt, stay out, I would say, until you get a bit of a better setup.